subscribe, and hit the bell icon. The Australian Pelican. Hi everybody, my name is Leo. I am a junior ranger, and this is my puppy, Hero. You want to play with this ball, Hero? Okay, you stand over there and I'll throw it. Then you try to catch it. Okay, Hero, are you ready? Catch! Well done, Hero. Let's do that again. Here I go. Oops, that was too high. It must be behind the bushes. Hey, what a funny-looking bird. It has such a large beak. It caught the ball. It must fit a lot in that beak. I wonder what type of bird this is. You know what we should do? Let's take a photo and send it to my sister Katie. She is also a junior ranger. Now hold still, bird. Hi, Katie. Did you find any information?
You're just in time, Leo. Look, this bird is called an Australian pelican. They have the largest beak in the world. They also have huge wings when they are spread out.
So they live in Australia?
Correct. And in parts of Papua New Guinea and Indonesia. They like to live around water.
The pelican in our garden looks very small. Is it a baby?
It's not a baby, but it's still very young. It might still need its parents to feed it.
This young Australian pelican might be looking for its parents. Let's take it home.
I'm joining you, Leo. See you downstairs.
Come on, everybody. Join me in this party. 1, 2, here we go. For lots of fun and lots to learn. Come on, everybody. Join me in this party. 1, 2, it's your turn. For lots of fun and lots to learn. 1, 2, off we go. For lots of fun and lots to learn.
Hello, Junior Rangers.
Hi, Ranger Rocky.
Ah, you have brought with you a pelican.
Yes, an Australian pelican. It's still young, so we want to take it home to its parents.
Good on you, Junior Rangers. Adult pelicans can recognize their young, and your little friend's parents might be looking for it now.
Do all pelicans have such large beaks, Ranger Rocky?
Yes, pelicans eat fish and use their beaks and throat pouches like a net to collect fish. They're very good fishermen. The young pelican must have been looking for food. Usually, pelicans fish in flocks. Young pelicans that haven't learned how to fish will stick their beaks into their parents' beaks to get food. So it's great that you're taking this little one home.
Where should we start looking?
Pelicans like to be around bodies of water, like lakes, rivers, and reservoirs. When they breed, they find an isolated area, which means it's far away from people. Good luck, Junior Rangers!
Thank you, Ranger Rocky.
Look, it's so happy to see the water. Leo, looks like the pelican is in trouble. It's trying to fly, but it can't. Oh no!
The pelican looks really scared. Katie, I'll jump in and find out what's going on.
Great idea, Leo.
There's a fishing line wrapped around the pelican's foot, and the other end of it is stuck in the rocks.
Hero!
Hero has snapped the line. Great work, Hero.
Come on, Pelican. Let's get you out of here.
You're a hero, Hero.
Look, Leo. The pelican's foot got entangled in this. People really shouldn't be throwing things like that into the sea. A lot of sea creatures have been hurt by rubbish being thrown in the water.
You're right, Katie. I'm glad the pelican is all right. Now, let's take it home. Katie, look! There are two big pelicans coming towards us.
It's the young pelican's parents. They recognize it.
We did it! We found the pelican's home and its parents. Great work, everyone!
Yay!
We found an Australian pelican in our garden.
We learned that pelicans live near water.
So we took the young pelican home and reunited it with its parents.
Good job, children. You did it. You are amazing wildlife rangers.
The White-Bellied Woodpecker. Hi, everybody. My name is Leo. I am a junior ranger. And this is my puppy, Hero. Hero, is that a bone you have? Do you know what Hero is doing? That's right. He dug a hole to bury his bone, to save it for later. What's that sound? Hero, I don't think it comes from your bone. Do you hear it too? Let's go find out. It's a bird, and it's making holes in the tree. I wonder how it got here. You know what we should do? Let's take a photo and send it to my sister Katie. She is also a junior ranger. Now hold still, bird. Hi, Katie. Did you find anything?
You're just in time, Leo. The computer is looking for information about the bird. Here we go. It's a woodpecker. And this one is a white-bellied woodpecker. The white-bellied woodpecker is one of the biggest woodpecker out there.
A white-bellied woodpecker? So why does it keep tapping against the tree?
The woodpecker makes holes in trees to get food. It eats the insects in the tree trunks.
I see. But does that not damage the trees?
Some woodpeckers eat sap from the trees, which can damage those trees. But not the white-bellied woodpecker. It eats insects that might be harmful to the trees, so it keeps the trees healthy.
I see. What a helpful bird. Where does it come from?
White-bellied woodpeckers can be found in the tropical forests of Asia and Southeast Asia. By the way, the woodpecker you found is female. The male has a red mustache on the side of his cheeks, but females don't.
Well, let's take her back to the forest where there are more trees for her to get food from. Come and join us.
That's a great idea, Leo. See you downstairs.
Come on, everybody, join me in this party. 1, 2, here we go for lots of fun and lots to learn. Come on, everybody, join me in this party. 1, 2, it's your turn for lots of fun and lots to learn. 1, 2, off we go for lots of fun and lots to learn.
Ranger Rocky!
Welcome to the rainforest, Junior Rangers. Ah, I see you brought a female white-bellied woodpecker.
Yes, Ranger Rocky. We're here to bring her back to where she came from.
That's great, Leo. Here's a little clue for you. The white-bellied woodpecker builds its nest in a large dead tree, often beside rivers.
So we need to find a large dead tree with a nest inside.
That's right, Leo. But remember to look for one that is not near predators.
Oh dear! Predators?
The predators that hunt the woodpecker are animals such as rats, snakes, and wild cats. They can cause serious harm to the woodpecker. Good luck, Junior Rangers.
Thank you, Ranger Rocky.
I'm hungry. It's a good thing we always pack some sandwiches. Catch, Hero.
Better be careful, Leo. You might attract wild animals with your food.
Wait, do you hear that?
Leo, look! It's wasps!
Oh no! My food must have attracted them.
They're coming closer!
I'll throw my sandwich away. Perhaps they'll go after it. Now let's run!
Oh no! Some of the wasps are still following us.
Wow! The woodpecker is eating the wasps. We should give her the space she needs. Let's take out our propellers.
Do you think it's safe to go down now?
I think it is, Katie. Let's have a look. There you are, woodpecker. Do you think you had enough to eat? I think I had enough to eat too. We did it! We found the family of our white-bellied woodpecker.
Hooray!
We found a white-bellied woodpecker in our garden.
We learned that a white-bellied woodpecker pecks holes in trees to eat the insects in it.
The woodpecker belongs to a place with many trees, so we returned her to her real home.
Good job, children. You did it. You are amazing wildlife rangers.
The barn owl. Hi, everybody. My name is Leo. I am a junior ranger, and this is my puppy, Hero. Look what I got from Grandpa and Grandma. It's a toy that makes animal sounds, like so. That was the sound of a dog. See, if I press a button, a sound appears. Do you know which animal this sound belongs to? That's right. It belongs to an owl. An owl makes a hooting sound. Oh, what's that scary sound? It's up there. Hey, it looks like an owl, but it doesn't sound like the owl from my toy. You know what we should do? Let's take a photo and send it to my sister Katie. She is also a junior ranger. Hi, Katie. So, why does this owl not hoot?
Hi, Leo. Well, not all owls sound the same. And this owl is a barn owl.
A barn owl. I see. So a barn owl communicates in a different way than other owls.
That's right. But like most owls, barn owls are nocturnal, which means they're active during the night.
How can they hunt when they are so loud?
Of course barn owls don't call when they hunt. They also have fine, soft feathers that help them fly silently when they hunt their prey. This makes barn owls very quiet and great hunters. However, adult barn owls returning to their nest may sometimes call out to their young.
Wow! So what do barn owls eat?
Barn owls eat different small animals, such as mice, rats, birds, and fish.
I see. Where can they be found?
Except for Antarctica, these birds can be found almost anywhere in the world. They are often called barn owls because they are commonly found in barns. But these owls can live in other places, such as grasslands and forest edges.
I think the garden is no place for the barn owl to live. It needs a better place to hunt. We should bring it back to its home. Come and join us.
Great idea, Leo. I'm sure the owl would love that. Let's go!
Come on, everybody, join me in this party. 1, 2, here we go for lots of fun and lots to learn. Come on, everybody, join me in this party. 1, 2, it's your turn for lots of fun and lots to learn. 1, 2, off we go for lots of fun and lots to learn. It looks like nobody's here.
What's that sound? I can't see anything.
What is it, Barn Owl?
Ranger Rocky!
Ah, you found me. Welcome to the grasslands, Junior Rangers. I see you've brought along a barn owl.
How was it able to find you in the dark?
That is because barn owls can see and hear very well. They can even find their prey in total darkness, so they are excellent hunters. The barn owl prefers to hunt along the edge of woods or small forests where it can find a lot of small animals. For their nests, they choose places like tree holes. Good luck, Junior Rangers.
Thank you, Ranger
Rocky.
We just need to cross this water. The barn owl's home should be on the other side.
It must be happy to be so close to home.
Hey, wait for us, little friend. How do we cross this water? It's a small bridge. Great. What was that?
It's the barn owl. It sounds like it's in trouble. We have to hurry.
Over there. It's stuck.
Oh no! Let's free it.
Hold still, little friend. I'm only trying to help.
It's the net. The barn owl is afraid of it. We should try to take its attention away from the net to calm it down. Let's try this.
It's the animal sound toy. You brought it with you.
Here, little friend. Listen to this.
And it's off. Phew. Great job, everyone. We did it. We found the barn owl's home. Great job, everybody.
Yay!
Today, we found a barn owl in our garden.
We learned that the barn owl is an excellent hunter at night and that it likes to live in places like tree holes.
So we went to the grassland and brought it back home.
Good job, children. You did it. You are amazing wildlife rangers.
The Satin Bowerbird. Hi, everybody. My name is Leo. I am a junior ranger. And this is my puppy, Hero. Hero, I'm looking for objects written on this list. Do you want to help me? Oh, great job, Hero. You found a ball. Hey, that's my sock. I've been looking for it. And this must be Katie's ribbon. Why are they all here? Did you take the blue objects from us? Is blue its favorite color? I wonder what kind of bird this is. You know what we should do? Let's take a photo and send it to my sister Katie. She is also a junior ranger. Hi, Katie. Did you find out what kind of bird this is?
We're about to find out in 3, 2... There you go. This bird is a satin bowerbird.
A satin bowerbird? I've never heard of those birds before. So they come mainly from the east coast of Australia.
That's right. The one in our garden is an adult male. Females and young males are greenish in color. They live in the woods and eat fruit, leaves, and some insects. They are called bowerbirds because the males build a bower to attract females.
A bower?
A bower is a structure only built by male bowerbirds. It is built on the ground.
It looks like a bird's nest.
But a bower is not a nest. Nests are where female birds lay their eggs. A bower is only used by male bowerbirds to attract female bowerbirds.
This satin bowerbird might have built his bower somewhere, but it got lost. We should help him find his bower. Come and join us.
Great idea, Leo. See you downstairs.
Come on, everybody, join me in this party. 1, 2, here we go for lots of fun and lots to learn. Come on, everybody, join me in this party. 1, 2, it's your turn for lots of fun and lots to learn. 1, 2, off we go for lots of fun and lots to learn.
Hello, Junior Rangers.
Hi, Ranger Rocky.
Is that a satin bowerbird I see?
Yes, we want to help him find his bower.
That's wonderful, Junior Rangers. Remember, only male bowerbirds make bowers. Some bowerbirds make bowers with a roof, while other bowerbirds make bowers with just 2 walls. The satin bowerbird makes a U-shaped bower out of twigs. When a female satin bowerbird arrives, the blue-eyed male starts dancing and making loud noises. If the female is interested, she will enter the bower. Oh, and while building its bower, the male also collects blue, yellow, and shiny objects to place around the bower as decoration. They mostly prefer blue objects.
Oh, that's why it was taking blue objects from us.
In the wild, they usually use blue flowers, berries, or feathers. But if it lives near humans, the satin bowerbird sometimes steals blue objects from them. In fact, sometimes they even destroy people's fruit and vegetable plants. So it's better if they don't live too close to people. Good luck, Junior Rangers!
Thank you, Ranger Rocky. Hey, Satin Bowerbird, wait for us. Look, Katie, is that a bower?
It is, Leo, which means we found it.
But why is it taking things from the bower and putting it in the Jeep?
I don't know.
Hello, Junior Rangers. I forgot to tell you something important. Sometimes bowerbirds destroy bowers from other birds by stealing their decoration or removing twigs.
Oh, no, so that's what it's doing now. Thanks for telling us, Ranger Rocky.
No, Bowerbird, you shouldn't do that.
He won't stop. Hey, where are you going, Hero?
Oh, Hero, that's a brilliant idea. The bird seems more interested in the flowers now. He completely forgot about the bower.
Nice work, Hero. Let's quickly fix the bower before its owner comes back.
Look, the owner of the bower is back.
We found the bower of our satin bowerbird. Great work, everyone! Hooray! We found a satin bowerbird in our garden.
We learned that male bowerbirds build bowers to attract females.
So we took him to the rainforest to look for his bower.
Good job, children. You did it. You are amazing wildlife rangers.
Hola, exploradores juniors. Check out our Spanish channel by clicking the link in the description below. See you there!